Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by having 2 ripe avocados and scooping into a bowl. This gives a creamy base. Mash lightly with a fork so texture stays chunky. Indian-style guacamole benefits from bite. Add 1/4 cup finely chopped onion and 1 tomato to keep freshness and acidity. The onion also balances richness. Stir in 1-2 chopped green chilies for heat and 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro for aroma. Once done, squeeze 1 lime and fold juice in to stop browning and layer acidity. Now you shift to seasoning so flavors sing together. Mix in 2 tablespoon plain yogurt if you want a tangy, creamy Indian twist. It mellows heat and gives body. Sprinkle 1/2 tsp roasted cumin powder and 1/4 tsp chopped masala to introduce warm, tangy spice notes that mirror Indian chutneys. Taste, then add 1/2 tsp salt. If it feels flat, increase lime by small squeezes. Make sure to fold gently. Overmixing loses texture, so the avocado remains pleasantly chunky and aromatic. To finish, you add 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro and optionally a few drops of mustard oil for pungent warmth. Mix once. Check balance. More lime brightens, a pinch of sugar calms bitterness, and extra salt rounds flavors. Serve immediately with chips, thecha, or warm papad. If you must store, press plastic directly on the surface and refrigerate up to 24 hours. If something goes wrong, bitter, watery, or bland, use the quick fixes above so your Indian-style guacamole recovers bright, balanced flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.